Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see, identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Let us write number 1. Number 1 is given as 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. Let us find the value of 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 can be written as 4 to the power 3 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, or it can be written as 4 into 4, it is 16. 16 into 4, right? 4 for just 16. If we multiply 16 with 4, that is 4 6 are 24. 24 5 6 64, and this value is 64. Right? Now, what is the value of 3 to the power 4? Let us find the value of 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. That means it will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times 3. Then we are getting 3 into 3, it is 9. Into 3 into 3, it is 9. 9 is 81. 81. 9 is 81. Now since 81 is greater than 64, therefore we can write that 3 to the 4 is greater than 3 to the 4. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, here you see, is question number 2 is 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. Right? Here you can write 5 to the power 3 as 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. Right? And we are getting 5 into 5 into 5. Right? Therefore, we are getting 5 for 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 125. 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. That means it can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 5 3 is there. Right? Now you can write it as, here you see, that is 3 3 is a 9 into 3 3 is a 9 into 3, or 9 9 is 81. 81 into 3. If we multiply 81 with 3, that is 3 1 is 3 and 3 is 24. 243. That is, this is 243, this is 125. Since 243 is greater than 125, therefore you can say that there 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 is greater than 5 to the power 3, greater than 5 to the power 3. Right? Greater than 5 to the power 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3, here you see, is question number 3. Question number 3 is given as 2 to the power 8 or 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 2. 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right? If we multiply the numbers, then what you get, you see here, that is, right, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 into 2 is 64, 64 into 4, 64 into 4, 64 into 4. That is, we are getting 4 for the 16, carry 1, it is 6, 4 6 is 24 plus 1, 25, 256. That is, comes to 256. Now 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 2, that is equal to 8 into 8, 8 into 8, and that is equal to 8 is a 64. It is just 64. Now we know that 256, since 256 is greater than 64, therefore you can write that 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2, right? 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2. Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4, what do you see? What is given in question number 4? Let us solve question number 4. Now, question number 4 is, you see here, what is question number 4? Question number 4 is 100 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 100, 2 to the power 100, right? First one is 100 square. That means the first one, 100 square. That means 100 into 100. That is, comes to 100 into 100 into 100, and that is equal to 1 and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 10,000, right? Or we can write 2 to the power 100. You can write in this way, that's 2 to the power 100. 2 to the power 100 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times, right? You have multiplied here 40 times or 14 times into 14 times into, and these are dot 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 dot, and the last one is also 2, right? That means if you multiply all these things, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. If we multiply to 14 times, then we'll get, you can check also, that so we'll get 16,384, 384, right? And that can be again multiplied by dash 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 up to 100 times into 2, right? Now here you see that since 16,384 84 into dash 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 into 2 is greater than 10,000, right? Therefore we can say that 2 to the power 100 is always greater than 100 to the power 2. 100 to the power 2. That means 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 to the power 2. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is, question number 5 is, now question number 5, 2 to the power 10. Question number 5 is 2 to the power 10. Question number 5 is 2 to the power 10 or 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 2 2 to the power 10 can be written as 2 to the power 10 can be written as, right, that is can be written as 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We multiply this one, right? 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you will get the value as 1024. You can multiply also and check it, 1024. 1024. And 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 can be written as 10 into 10, that is 10 into 10, and that comes to 100. That comes to 100. Now since 1024 is always greater than 100, therefore you can write that 2 to the power 10 is always greater than 10 to the power 2, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.